uncovering history, protecting identity.
10.
I got a little balcony here. There's a mosque here.
Jigjiga is the capital of the Somali region of Ethiopia, located near the border with Somalia. It serves as a significant cultural and administrative hub for the Somali community. The city is home to approximately 600,000 residents, with a diverse population primarily made up of ethnic Somalis. Jigjiga lies in a semi-arid region surrounded by low-lying hills and vast savannas. The city experiences a semi-arid climate with hot temperatures, year-round and minimal rainfall, making water management crucial for its residents. Jigjiga is known for its vibrant Somali culture, including traditional music and festivals, like the Eid celebrations.
9.
Galcaio, also spelled Galcaio, is a city in central Somalia, acting as the regional capital of the Mudug region. It has a population of around 500,000 people, comprising various Somali clans. Situated on the border between Puntland and Galmudug states, the city is geographically and politically significant. Galcaio experiences a hot desert climate with occasional rainfall. The city is a vital trade center connecting northern and southern Somalia and has historical significance as a cultural crossroads.
8.
Kismaayo is a port city in southern Somalia, serving as the capital of the Lower Juba region, with a population of approximately 550,000. It is a key urban area in the south. The city is located near the Indian Ocean, with a strategic natural harbor that supports fishing and trade. Kismaayo enjoys a tropical climate, characterized by warm temperatures and distinct wet and dry seasons. Known for its vibrant fishing industry, Kismaayo is also historically significant as a hub for trade and cultural exchange in the Indian Ocean region.
7.
Borama is situated in the Auto region of Somaliland, in northwestern Somalia, close to the border with Djibouti and Ethiopia. The city has a population of around 500,000, nestled in a mountainous area. Boorame is known for its greenery and relatively fertile lands compared to the arid surroundings. Boorame has a cooler climate due to its higher elevation, making it one of the more temperate cities in the region. It is a center for education and development, hosting a Mood University, one of Somalia's most prestigious institutions.
6.
Bosaso is a port city in northeastern Somalia and serves as the commercial capital of the Puntland state. The city has an estimated population of over 700,000 and has experienced rapid population growth due to its economic opportunities and role as a transit point for migrants. Bosaso is characterized by arid terrain with stretches of sandy beaches and rugged coastal landscapes, often exceeding 30 degrees Celsius, seasonal monsoon winds, and minimal rainfall define its weather patterns.
5.
Baydhabo is in southwestern Somalia, serving as the capital of the southwest state and the Bay region. The city has an estimated population of 1 million. It is surrounded by agricultural land, making it an important center for farming. Baydhabo has a semi-arid climate with occasional rainfall, supporting crops like sorghum and maize. Known as the City of Sorghum, Baydhabo is a critical agricultural hub in Somalia.
4.
Located in central Somalia, Beledweyne is the capital of the Hiran region near the Shabelle River. The city has around 500,000 residents with a mix of Somali clans. The fertile lands around the Shabelle River make it a vital area for farming. Beledweyne experiences seasonal flooding during heavy rains, a challenge for its residents. The city's proximity to the Shabelle River makes it a lifeline for agriculture and trade in the region.
3.
Marka is a coastal city in southern Somalia, serving as the capital of the lower Shabelle region. Approximately 500,000 people live in Marka. Its location by the Indian Ocean makes it a historic trade center. Marka has a tropical climate with warm, humid conditions throughout the year. The city has a rich history dating back to medieval trade networks, evident in its historic architecture and cultural diversity.
2.
Hargeisa is the capital of Somaliland in northwestern Somalia, near the Ethiopian border. The city is the largest in Somaliland, with an estimated 1.5 million residents. Situated in a semi-arid plateau, Hargeisa is surrounded by rocky hills and sparse vegetation. The city experiences a relatively mild climate compared to other parts of Somalia due to its altitude. Hargeisa is known for its vibrant markets, historical landmarks, and as a center of Somaliland's governance and independence movement.
1.
Mogadishu is Somalia's capital and largest city, located on the Indian Ocean coast. With over 2.5 million residents, it is a bustling metropolis and Somalia's economic and political center. Mogadishu's coastline makes it a key port city with sandy beaches and coral reefs. The city has a hot desert climate with high temperatures and humidity. Mogadishu is Somalia's historical and cultural heart, featuring a blend of ancient Islamic architecture and modern infrastructure. It has been a center of trade and influence for centuries.
جزاك الله خيرا.
Subscribe for more.